How is it going, you guys? Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today I wanted to make a video about how I got started recording on YouTube. So diving into YouTube is a daunting task, and you kind of just have to go for it. You know, your friends and your family are going to tell you, what the heck are you doing? You know, but there's a lot of people, you know, out there, they will not be happy, or they'll be like, what the heck? How did you get this many subscribers when you don't know this or that? You know, so everybody thinks it's funny and silly that you're trying to make videos when you have 10 subscribers, but then they'll be jealous or not understand it when you have 10,000. You've been hustling and grinding or whatever. So anyway, you got to start recording somewhere. And what I started recording with is going to be different for everybody. And so I started recording with my smartphone. At the time, I had a Pixel 3 XL. This allowed me a few different things. So with that phone, it gave me a free unlimited subscription to Google Photos. Is basically where I stored all my videos, and then it put it up in the cloud, and I could download it on my computer. And it was just an unlimited amount of data storage, and that worked out well. If you don't have that, make sure your smartphone has a lot of space on it. So that's one thing. You have to have a computer to edit, really. I mean, you can edit with your phone, but come on now. Like, it's gonna be a lot more difficult. So yeah, I edit with DaVinci Resolve, and there is definitely a learning curve. Watch some videos, try to figure it out. So yeah, I used the phone, and it was a selfie stick, basically, with the tripod. And that's okay, it works out all right. It's just hard. Oh, Mr. Tucker. So the hard thing about using the phone is there's no image stabilization on there, just like normal cameras. And then, well, there wasn't on my phone, so it was kind of shaky, you know. And then if I wanted to do a time lapse, it would go, and then the moment I got a notification, it would stop recording. So what I did was I put it in airplane mode, and then no notifications came through. The wife can't get a hold of you. She gets pissed, you know, but you got your time lapse. So it was definitely a pain in the butt, and I made the decision before we were going on a cruise specifically. I've been looking at this camera, and it was a GoPro Hero 8 Black, and I decided to go with this camera. It has pretty good quality, compact, image stabilization, and we're going on a cruise, and I thought it'd be cool for the water and just the portability to make memories. And we got a really good video out of that, so I'm super happy with it. This is what we got. Records 4K, the whole deal. If you were going to be editing 4K, you need a good computer to edit that. It will take forever. I sat there for hours trying to get videos to render, and it is a nightmare. So that's why I upgraded to the MacBook M1. And those videos, I render a 20-minute 4K video in 10 minutes. So that's super quick and super easy to use. We also have like quick release mounts on these GoPros, or on the GoPro, so I can attach them to other mounts basically instead of sitting there and screwing it in, which saves you a lot of time. Or also you just use a tripod here. It can go up to like 8 feet tall, so that helps a lot. I also have other ones like chest mount, head mount, and then like just a regular selfie stick kind of thing here. But what I'm recording on now is a GoPro Hero 10. Has a media mod on it with the light and the Rode mic. So I'm just trying to test that out. Let me know how it is down below. Let me know if you think this audio is a little bit better than the ones in the past. We're trying to see if this is the way to go or if we need something different. So yeah, if you guys have any questions on gear, I mean, I don't know everything, but I can definitely help you or give you advice on how you can get started. I'm not sure if any of my followers are interested in making a YouTube channel or anything like that. I just figured I thought I'd put that out there. Some people are interested in knowing what we use to record. So, all right, guys, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Have a good night. I'm gonna drop some affiliate links down below into all the tripods, camera stuff we use down below. Yeah, if you use it, it doesn't cost you any extra. It just gives us a little percentage of the purchase. which helps the expensive stuff and the homestead and like the YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you.